In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana tasks to Google Calendar. If you live in your calendar but manage your work in Asana, connecting the two can really streamline your day. Instead of bouncing back and forth, you'll be able to see your Asana tasks directly inside Google Calendar, along with your regular events and meetings. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each action is doing so it all makes sense. First, head over to Asana and open the specific space you want to sync. This can be either a single project or your My Tasks view, depending on what you want to see in Google Calendar. My Tasks is great if you want your personal to-dos on your calendar, while selecting a project is better if you're focusing on a particular initiative or team. Once you have that view open, look to the top left of the screen for the project or My Tasks name. Right next to that name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open a menu of additional options. This is where Asana hides some of its more advanced tools, including the Calendar Sync feature. In that menu, find and select the option called Export Print. This tells Asana you want to take information from this project or task list and use it somewhere else. When you click Export Print, you'll see another option appear called Sync to Calendar. Click Sync to Calendar. Asana will now generate a special link, sometimes referred to as an iCal or calendar feed URL. This link is what allows Google Calendar to pull task information from Asana and keep it updated. When you see that URL, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Right next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon, and from the menu that appears, choose from URL. You'll see a field where you can paste the link you copied from Asana. Paste the URL into that box, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will take a moment to subscribe to that feed. After it loads, you'll see a new calendar appear under Other Calendars, usually with the same name as the Asana project or My Tasks. Your Asana tasks with due dates will now appear on the corresponding dates in Google Calendar. You can toggle this calendar on or off like any other calendar, which is useful if things start to feel cluttered. That's all there is to it. You've successfully synced your Asana tasks to Google Calendar.